Hey everyone, I'm CNC Shawn, and in today's video we're going to make a heavy duty bumper for a UTV. Now a big part of this video we're going to be using the TC24. We can cut up to 24 foot long pipe. We can do 6-inch round, 5-inch square or rectangle, and then along with that we've got a 12-foot outfeed on it. And you're going to be able to see how quick it does it, how it feeds everything through, and just how clean the cuts come out. You know, along with that, we'll be running over to the SideKick Plasma over in the showroom, cut some brackets, and then we'll jump onto the Titan 25T to bend those brackets. So why don't we jump into the software? We got Rotary Tube Pro, show you how we're putting this all together. All right, now we're at the computer. We've got Rotary Tube Pro open. In this case, we imported this file. Now you can draw your own stuff in here. And on this project, we told you what we're gonna do. We're gonna make a bumper for a UTV or smaller vehicle like that. Of course, you can do different sizes, especially with that big outfeed on the machine. But what I'm doing here is setting our quantity. We're going to cut 2 of each of these parts, set up the wall thickness on the tube, what kind of material it is, and what kind of cutter we're going to use. And once we get that all set, which we just about have here, we're going to be able to nest this together. You can view it in both a 3D format, you can view it in flat format, however you want to look at it. So now we've got everything set. We'll go and auto nest it. We're going to set up our spacing on it, 1/4 inch apart, and we can hit OK. And now we got it right here in a 3D view. If we want to zoom in, we can take a look at our parts, see how they're going to be cut, and everything looks great from there. We just got to go and output the file, save it how you want, and then we're all set to cut. So why don't we head out to the machine and get started. All right, we got everything cut, our brackets bent, and everything turned out just as we expected. Nice clean cuts. These pipe intersection joints work out perfect. You're gonna have just enough to be able to weld that all together and make everything fit good. We set that bracket up there, weld that on, and you know, you're good to go. You've got a real heavy duty bumper for a UTV or whatever you want to put it on. You know, it's kind of fun to do a project like this right in our showroom using 3 different machines, and everything just comes together really nice. all in all, probably 4 or 5 minutes worth of cutting if you put it together. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you want some information on these machines, check us out at ShopSabre.com and be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching.